Jong and Neff. Jong and Neff, meron ba kayong gustong sabihin sa isa't isa?
Kahit anong mangyari, brother. Brother for life. Galingan natin.
Neff?
Actually, pareho din. Hindi ko na-expect. Pero bigay tayo ng magandang show, brother.
Yes.
Let's go.
Expect the unexpected. Bilang Clash Masters ninyo, sobrang proud kami sa dalawang to. Let's go.
We're proud of you both.
Let's go. Alright, Jong, bilang naghintay ka ng isang linggo para sa sandaling ito, ikaw na ang mauunang kumanta. Ito ang matirang matibay, Jong versus Neff. Let the clash begin!
Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. And feeling so small. It was over my head. I know nothing at all. And I swallow my pride. You're the one that I love, and I'm saying say something, I'm giving up on you.
Determinado na si Jong na maangkin ang huling slot sa Final 5. Pero, siguro di papayag si Neff na ganun-ganun lang ang pangontra niyang ating panoorin sa pagbabalik ng The Clash, isa laban sa lahat!